Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through all modules of Poultry OS SAP add-on. This add-on is SAP certified and has various operations in poultry which are covered. Respectively, we have breeder, layers, hatchery, contract broiler farming, bird processing, and feed mill. These are the add-ons that we will be covering in demo. Add-on that we are going to look at right now is hatchery. Hatchery module has different features and it covers the entire hatchery cycle in it. Along with me is Gunesh. So Gunesh will quickly give you a walkthrough of screens, transactions, and the reports which we have in hatchery module. Over to you, Gunesh.
Thank you. So basically, we are divided in hatchery in three parts. One is master and transaction and report. In master, we are providing the locations master, hatchery grade, trolley, setter master, hatcher master, and benchmark details. Location is mostly useful for, let's say, if you have two or more than two factory of hatchery, so you can create a multiple factory inside one single module also. The grading is mostly useful for the doing the grading of eggs grading, so that is mostly useful for grading grade masters. And trolley, that are you are using for setting purpose, that you can define your trolley. Setter master, we are given one advanced facility here. So let's say if there is a single shot machine, you can mark as a single shot as well as multi shots. The machine is in maintenance, that time you can add apply the inactive flag also. So then the machine will not be coming for the doing the setting, so that also is available here. Then benchmark details for looking the actual versus standard reports, so you can feel your, if you want to feel your standard, you can feel your standard.
So Gunesh, basically we are using benchmark to identify the standard versus actual performance.
Yes.
Okay. So this benchmark details will be configured per company as per company's standards.
As per the company standard and well as breed wise.
Okay. So breed wise, egg wise, they will
Yes,
put
yes.
the benchmark.
Because Ross is different, Cobb is different. So that's
Right,
why you
right.
can. So then we are provided the transactions. So basically what's happening in hatchery, the eggs is coming in different way. So let's say if you are the grandparent, then that eggs also is coming with the hatchery, grandparent eggs. Then breeder eggs also is coming in hatchery. So if you are doing the own breeding, then you can collect the eggs from that and you can receive that eggs into our system, our hatchery model. Let's say if you want to purchase from outside, that also you can do, that also facilities available, or service based hatching also you can do. So all the activity we cover here right now.
So what we're talking about is hatchery will be used for our own eggs hatch. Plus, as you're saying that it can be used as a for providing services to others.
Yes.
So in that case, a different company will give us eggs for hatching. We will put them into our hatchers.
Yes.
And a service invoice will be basically generated. Okay.
So here we are pointing grading activity is most important thing is the grading activity. Directly I'm going to grading. So here, if you want to do the grading of hatching eggs, then you can do the grading of hatching eggs. And we are given an advanced facility. Let's say if you want to convert the table eggs into the hatching eggs, that facility also is available in our system. So both way you can do the grading. So we are given another facility also. Let's say it's own eggs or outside eggs, that also, because that is the most important thing. Because let's say if you want to check the report outside eggs grading, that also you can track from this flag. Then let's say if you want to transfer that grading eggs to the cold room, then you can transfer directly eggs into cold room as well. Or if you want to transfer into the fumigation, then that also you can do. So if you want to transfer that, you can transfer the fumigations. So fumigation time, we are loading whatever medicine you are using for doing the fumigation, that value also we are loading onto the eggs. So there is also we are providing a facility own eggs as well as outside eggs, because whatever you are doing on outside, that is we are passing at the expense side. Own eggs we are loading onto the value onto our eggs. Then here load eggs to setter. So if you want to load eggs to the setter machines, you can transfer directly eggs to the machine as well. So that facility is available here. Let's say if you want to transfer to cold room eggs to the setter machine, or if you want to transfer fumigation warehouse to the setter machine, that also you can do. And most important thing is the system showing the age of eggs. So on the basis of that also you can take a decision which batch if you want to going to set, because let's say your age is 10, so you can take that batch first to about doing the setting also. So this is the most important factor we are putting here.
So this basically works as planning for your
Yes,
setter.
yes. Basically what's happening here, they have multiple types of cold rooms. So let's say now the capacity is full, that time they are just moving that eggs to the separate cold room, and they are maintaining a different temperature, so they can keep the eggs up to 20 days or 30 days also. So that's why we are providing facility for you can check the age also.
Okay.
That is process is going up to 18 days. Then after if you want to track the daily activity of your setting machine, so that also you can track here: machine hours, temperature, humidity, rotations, front or back, like this. So it's setting number wise, because if you want to track, then you can track also.
And we can do this from mobile application as well.
Yes, yes. Then we are providing the candling test. So basically most of the company doing the candling test at the end of the days, 18 days, or in between also you can do. So both facilities available here. If you want to do in between also, you can do the between.
So will system give us alerts or reminders for candling test?
Yes.
Okay, so it will be based on the schedule or some setting.
Yes, yes. All system is a configurable.
Okay.
Then here, once your 18 days completed, then you need to transfer the eggs to the hatcher machines. So that is also here. So if there is any crack or any the burst, if you want to add that also, you can add here. So what we are doing, we are loading that value onto the your chicks also. So if there is any customizing setting, then you need to select customization, party name, everything. So we are tracking that also.
Okay, so each even it's a broken egg or any other type of egg, all the inventories will be tracked in
Yes.
respective batches.
Yes.
So at any given point, we will know grading as well as inventory of all the eggs.
Yes, and we are given another facility. Let's say if you want to set 2 different types of eggs into the one machine also,
Okay.
that also you can do.
Okay. Okay.
Then in between, let's say if you are using any medicine for cleaning purpose, setter machines, so that also you can do. You can use here. So that also value we are loading onto the chicks.
Okay.
Other.
So we don't need to do a separate accounting entry. No. Once we put the consumption out here, all the cost and expenses will be loaded.
The chicks.
Okay.
So then here, once you completed your 21 days, then your chicks collection transactions. So here you can collect the chicks. So see, there is a batch wise tracking also available here. So you can feel your unfertile quantity, dating jumps, early chicks mortality, in between say 4 to 7 days mortality also you can say. Then you are in the final saleable quantity here. That is nothing but your final chicks. Let's say if you want to do the grading of chicks, that also you can do the grading of chicks also.
So okay, so we can okay, so we will be doing grading in hatchery as well as in different modules. Can you do grading in breeder as well?
Breeder, that is the part of breeder grading. So here also we have chicks
so
grading.
We can do it on both the locations.
And I'm discussing right now the chicks grading.
Chicks, right.
That also you can do here.
Yes.
Then once you get the chicks, if you want to do the vaccination, you can do the vaccination also. That process also available here. So that time also vaccine value we are loading onto the.
Okay, so for every expense or every transaction, whatever costs and expenses are there, they will be loaded on respective chicks batch.
So batch wise this option is available.
Right. So when you do the vaccination, it is automatically creating 2 different batches for chicks as well. One with vaccinated,
without vaccinated. So we are passing a one V end of that batch, so you can easily understand this is the vaccinated chicks.
Okay. Okay. So in inventory, we will come to know which are the vaccinated birds and which are not vaccinated.
Yes, because we are putting one other facility. If you want, you can keep your chicks in separate area also. So vaccinated chicks you can in separate area.
Okay.
Then let's say if you want to transfer sell the bird chicks to the customer, then you can use the screen for the sale, directly jump in the sale. the delivery, or if you want to transfer that chicks to the boiler, that also you can do, but that times you need some schedule for the boilers, so that schedule is
Right,
coming
right,
from the boiler.
right.
So that schedule is here.
Okay, so basically broiler module and hatchery will be integrated.
Yes.
So when we create a placement schedule in broiler, it will reflect in
To the
hatchery module.
Yes.
And through here, we will get a sort of a procurement request, and through Hatcher we will complete that procurement request. So that way both modules are connected. Okay.
So this is our hatchery, and then we have some report also. So report is like this. So hatchery reports for import hatching, hatchery daily reports, hatchery logbooks, hatchery monthly production report, candling test reports, and some financial report also available. Let's say if you want to track the expenses of that location, that also you can track. So like this report is available in our system.
Okay, so the hatchery module basically starts with collecting or getting eggs in hatcher or hatchery. So these eggs can come from breeder, grandparent, or outside eggs. So in all these cases are possible. So we can also have a hatchery module as a for providing a hatchery as a service for other companies. So all batches will be monitored, their daily transactions will be monitored, their candling test, fumigation, all transactions will be covered. And based on this, calculation of a egg cost is automatically done. All the expenses are loaded on the, so chicks also get, expenses also gets loaded on the chicks. And so from starting from procurement till the sales, so entire cycle will be covered in this module.
So most important thing, Sagar, what's happened? We are given another facility, reverse tracking also available.
Okay.
Let's say if you want to track the breeder performance, and if you want to go to reversely, you can go with reversely also.
Right. So since we are integrating all the modules, so whatever eggs have come from a particular breeder flock, so we can track that and have a reverse integration. Okay, that's good.